If you're following a low-carb keto diet, then you probably miss chowing down on those mouth-watering portions of traditional lasagna from time to time. Unfortunately, a typical 1-cup serving of traditional lasagna contains about 30 grams of net carbs. This makes it off limits to those of us on a low-carb keto diet. But your lasagna cravings are about to come to an end. Because this video will walk you through a tasty recipe for a low-carb version of traditional lasagna. Let's start by taking a look at the ingredients. If you're a fan of bacon, then you'll appreciate the fact that this recipe includes 4 slices of bacon, cooked to your preferred degree of crispness. Next is 3/4 cup of a low-carb tomato sauce such as Hunt's 100% natural tomato sauce. The main protein portion of this recipe calls for 1 pound of ground beef, which will brown over medium heat. Add cooked bacon pieces, and then mix with the tomato sauce to create our meat sauce. You can add your favorite spices in this step. I used Italian seasoning, minced garlic, salt, and black pepper. We'll be replacing the traditional carb-laden lasagna pasta sheets with 3 egg life wraps to separate 4 meat sauce and cheese layers. Finally, we'll construct our layers of meat sauce, 1/4 cup of ricotta cheese, and 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Each of the 4 servings in this recipe contain a mere 2 1/4 grams of carbs. Okay, now let's get cooking. First, we'll make the meat sauce. Feel free to add your favorite lasagna spices to suit your tastes. Next, let's build the layers, starting with the meat sauce layer on the bottom. We'll follow that with a layer of mozzarella. And then we'll spread a layer of ricotta on top of the mozzarella. And finally, we'll cover these layers with an egg life wrap. We'll repeat this process until we've created 4 layers, and we'll top it with a final layer of mozzarella. Now, we're ready for the final step, which is to bake our lasagna. Cooking times vary for different ovens, so you may want to keep a close eye on the browning rate of your lasagna and adjust the cook time as needed, especially during the broiling phase. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more similar content from this channel in the future, please take a few seconds to like and subscribe. If you have specific suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. And to avoid missing out on future releases, please remember to click the notifications bell. Have a great day.